So students, we have studied last class about the divisibility condition of 2, 3 and 5. Now let's start a new part, that is divisibility as by the left is divisibility by 3. Okay. So how a number is divisible by 3? Let's say, suppose a number it is given 200, say 216. It is not 206. It is 216. Whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. We can divide it, we can see whether it is divided by or not. But without division, how could we check the number is divisible by 3 or not? Another number we can divide it. Suppose big number is given to you 729 whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So first of all, what to do? Here we have to find the sum of the numbers. That is the sum of the numbers. Sum of the digits, not numbers. Sum of the digits. Say 216. 2 plus 1 plus 6. This number, if we add this 3, what we get? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. Now, the result you have obtained, you have to see the result by adding all the digits. Whether this number you have got after the adding of the digits, is it multiple of 3 or not? You have to judge whether the number is multiple of 3 or not. Now you say 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So, when a number is multiple of 3, after the number you have got by adding the digits of the number is multiple of 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. So here you say 216, after adding we have got 9, which is a multiple of 3. So therefore you can say that 216 is divisible by 216 is divisible by 3. Okay? So this is the how a number is divisible by 3. Let us take another example. Say 27171. The number without divide, how could you check this number is divisible by 3 or not? So what to do? Sum of the digits is equal to 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 1. Now add it 9 plus 7 16. Oh, another one is equal to 7 1. So okay, here 1 plus 7 plus 1. 2 plus 7 16. 2 plus 7 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 17 plus 1 18. It is 18 we have got. So there is 18. Again you check, again you add these two numbers, or you have to see whether it is multiple of 3 or not. So 18 is what? It is a multiple of 3. So therefore 27171 is the multiple of is 27171 is divisible by 3. Okay. So what is the condition to divide? Is it clear, everyone? So let's say the statement is 2 will be divisible by 3. The sum of the digits should be multiple of the sum of the digit should be multiple of 3. Okay. So when a number is divisible by 3, they are divisible by 2 to be divisible, and the sum of the digits of the number should be multiple of 3. Okay. So this is about 3. Next, we have to discuss about how a number is divisible by 9. How a number is divisible by 9. Let us say a number. Let us say a number 729. This is a number. Whether this number is divisible by 9 or not, without actual division. So here also same thing as we have done in the tree. Same thing it is. Sum of the digits you have to find. Sum of the digits is equal to 7 plus 2 plus 9. After adding what we have done, we have got here it is 18. So in 3, what we have said, by 3 we have said that now sum we have got, it should be the multiple of 3. But in case of 9, what we have to say, this number, the sum of the digits should be multiple of 9. 18 is a multiple of 9. Okay, therefore 7 to 9 is divisible by 9. Okay, so to be divisible by 9, sum of the digits should be multiple of 9. Sum of the digits should be multiple of 9. Okay. So next we take another example. Two, 7, 2, 3, 6. 2, 7, 2, 3, 6. Whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. To check whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. Let's say sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, what we got? 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So here we get, if we do 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 6, it is 20. So this 20, is it a multiple of 9? No, it is not a multiple of 9, because if you read the table, 9 1 is 9 and 2 are 18. It is not a multiple of 9. So therefore 2, 7, 2, 3, 6 is not divisible by 9. Okay. So here what we have discussed about divisible by 3 and divisible by 9. Now one question is there, if a number is divisible by 3, whether a number is divisible by 9 or not. Let's say if I take 272. So here you will see sum of the digit 2 plus 7 plus 2. We have got 9. So 9, it is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. So it is divisible by, it is divisible by 3 also. If I take another example, say 204. This is the number 204. So sum of the digits, what will get? Sum of the digits, 2 plus 0 plus 4 is equal to 6. So 6 is what? 6 is a multiple of 3, but it is not a multiple of 9. Since it is a multiple of 3, so it is 204. 204 is divisible by 3. 6 is not a multiple of 9, so it is not divisible by 9. Okay, so from this we can say that a number which is divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 9, but a number which is divisible by 9 also divisible by 3. Clear? जो नंबर 9 से डिवाइड होगा वो 3 से भी डिवाइड होगा, और जो नंबर 3 से डिवाइड होगा ये मैंडेटरी नहीं है कि वो 9 से डिवाइड हो. Clear? So this is just one example of a number. If a number is divisible by 3, it is not mandatory that it is divisible by 9. But if a number is divisible by 9, it should be divisible by 3. Here, next part form is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Whether a number is divisible by 4 or not without actual division. Right? Take one example, say 216. So here what happens? Here you have to see whether a number is divisible by 4 or not. You have to see the digits, the number formed by last 2 digits. That means unit place और tens place में कौन सा 2 नंबर है, जो 2 नंबर को एक साथ में करके क्या नंबर होगा. जैसे यहाँ पर 6 है यूनिट प्लेस में और पहले 1 है, that is 16. आपको देखना है. Now you have to see whether 16 can be divided by 4 or not. Whether this number formed by the last 2 digits of the number can be divided by 4 or not. If a number formed by the last 2 digits are divided by 4, then the number will be divided by 4. Okay? 16 is divisible by 4, so 216 is divisible by 4. Another example, say 71796. Now here you see the digits of last 2 digits of the number 9 and 6. So number formed by the last 2 digits is 96. Now you divide it by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 1 6, 4 4 ja 16. So the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So this number also divisible by 4. Clear? So what will happen? The statement is the number formed by the last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, 9 to 4. So 24 easily divisible by 4, which is power 6. By divide 24 by 4, the last two digits forms 24 is divisible by 4. So 924 is divisible by 4. Here, understood? Next, we have to discuss about divisible by 8. How many number is divisible by 8? How a number is divisible by 8? So here what to do? 2, 3, 2, 8. Here the number. You have to check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. So in this case, as in 4, we have seen the last 2 digits. Here we have to see these 3 digits. The number formed by the last 3 digits. That is 328. Now we have to divide this 328 by 8. What do we get? 8 4 ja 32. 8 1 ja 8. So 328 is divisible by 8. That means the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So this whole number 2328 is divisible by 8. Here, so what is the statement? The statement is the number formed by the last 3 digits of a number should be divisible by 8. Okay. For example, 2, 3, 2, 8. So 328 you can divide 328 by 8. 8 4 ja 32. 8 1 ja 8. So 2, 3, 2, 8 is divisible by 8. Okay, is it clear? So next, is everybody clear? So next we have to discuss about it is that divisible by 6 and 11. These two are left. So in our next class, we will discuss about divisible by 6 and divisibility by 11. Here, so for today, this much. Thank you.